Welcome to Be Like Water. I'm Suze Nethercutt and I'm so excited to share with you this new e-course which approaches watercolour painting in a soothing and unique way. Just as the name suggests, Be Like Water is all about helping you to find your flow with watercolour paint as I step you through how I blend the Eastern and Western approaches to watercolour painting in this special course. I'll show you how I mix up the use of Western paints with Japanese brushes and Chinese philosophy. This is not another e-course that teaches the exacting Western approach to watercolour florals or the rigid formula of the Eastern arts. It is a blending of some elements of each of those, but I bring to it my own intuitive approach to painting. I'm going to show you through a variety of projects how to find joy in the discovery of this medium and how to make beautiful, masterful art. Through a series of projects, you'll see step by step how I create paintings that are beautifully unique and also very soothing to paint. My focus is on helping you to get to know the many magical moments you can have when painting with watercolour, while also taking on board some of the techniques such as colour blending, wet in wet painting, and using salt for texture that I've discovered in my own journey with this medium. I'll also show you how I make my own watercolour paints from locally foraged pigment, how to paint with watercolour on canvas, and also how to use masking fluid. But again and again, we will come back to the element and inspiration of water, all that it can teach us. As it says in the 78th verse of the Tao Te Ching by Lao Tzu, written in China in the 5th to 6th century BCE, nothing in the world is as soft and yielding as water. Yet for attacking the hard and strong, none can triumph so easily. It is weak, yet none can equal it. It is soft, yet none can damage it. It is yielding, yet none can wear it away. Everyone knows that the soft overcomes the hard and the yielding triumphs over the rigid. The spirit of these words are our guiding light as we journey together in the Be Like Water e-course. So join me for this soothing and joyful adventure in watercolour painting.